Hello everybody. Today we are going to do something a little different with science. We're going to be talking about misconceptions. And a misconception is when someone believes something that is totally not true. So we can use the information that we've learned so far about energy and force to dispel some of these rumors because they aren't true. So this is what some people believe. So some people believe that gravity is only at work if someone or something is falling. Well, think back to when we put the tennis ball on the table. We had the tennis ball on the table and there was a pushing and pulling going on, but the tennis ball was not moving. So let's think about the pushing and pulling. So the pulling was the gravity. Gravity from the earth was pulling down on that tennis ball. But the table was pushing up on that tennis ball with an equal force. That's why we call it a balanced force. The tennis ball was not moving, but gravity was still acting upon it. It was still a force upon that tennis ball. Okay, so is that true? Nope, it's not true. All right, so another misconception, something that's entirely not true. The earth pushing up on an object is not a force. Well, that's not true. So gravity's pulling me down, the earth is pushing me up. And I have that happening to me right now. It's a balanced force and I'm not moving. So the earth is pushing me up, and it is a force because it's holding me, it's a balanced force holding me in place right now until I decide to apply a force to my legs to move myself forward. So that's not true, not at all. So gravity and the earth pushing up on me kind of act together and they balance each other out. Okay? All right. So these are just some common misconceptions. And so if you ever hear anybody say this, say gravity only acts when something's falling, you can say, Or if they say that the earth pushing up is not a force, no way. So those are two very common misconceptions. So I want you to keep working on the things that I've assigned to you from Generation Genius, that video and the questions. And I also want you to try that magic trick and let me know what you think. Try it out for some of your family, some of your friends, and let me know how they reacted to it, all right? So I want you to have fun with science, all right? I want you to keep watching and keep learning.